Hello there, happy Monday. This is an impromptu live. We are still going to have our live on Thursday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with co-coach Emily Kay. But I wanted to hop on here and tell you a little bit more about our July program. So we really announced it today. We are on pre-sale all this week. Full sale price starts Saturday. So if you're like, I'm intrigued by this, it's time to join. I will drop the link to join us in the comments below so that you can join us on your own time. But what it is called How to Meal Prep Like a Pro. We're going to teach you through 5 days of working together through a private Facebook group, not in this group, but it's going to be a private Facebook group. This is open also to all of my clients who are going to be getting it for free. All of the NWE clients, whether working with myself, Sarah, or Emily, you're going to also get this for free. But this program is 5 days long in a special private Facebook group where we are taking you from feeling frustrated and upset with the kitchen and feel like it's just so much work to do meal prep and planning to feeling confident with it without having to have a big prep day. You will not be spending 6 hours in the kitchen to have to prep everything and get it done. All it will be is we're going to teach you how to plan it out and use convenience items and follow the NWE method into your food to make it easy and make sure you're getting good, well-rounded nutrients. So this week only, it is $39. Now, all of those that join in the program are also going to get this week an extra entry in to win our prize pack. We are giving away a meal prep prize pack that's going to have my favorite meal prep book. So it's Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook by Toby Amador. We're going to give away some bento boxes, as well as a couple other fun things that help make your meal prep a whole lot easier. So that'll be for those that join this week. I already have a couple women already inside the program. They've paid for it, ready to go. It's only $39. This is the cheapest program, the most inexpensive investment that you can make into yourself. You can pace it at your own each day. The 4th through the 8th, we will have the videos will be dropping in the Facebook group at 8 a.m. so you can go and watch them on your own time and learn more about it, saying like, okay, I'm getting started with this. This is what this looks like. Here's what the information is. Here's how I can apply it. So you do not have to hop on live. There's no live training aspect to it. There'll be a video in there, and I'll be in that Facebook group too, encouraging you, discussing things with you as well. I may even do a live Q&A one of those days. So if you're interested in this, we're going to give you a whole lot of value for not a lot of money, $39. It's a 5-day program, daily videos and handouts too to make everything easier. We're going to give you our master grocery list that'll help you with the meal prep and planning. We're going to talk about how to grocery shop for success, staying away from those impulse buys, using convenience foods, helping you make your schedule to help make sure that you can prep and plan accordingly without having to spend hours in the kitchen. Which, let's be honest, nobody has hours in the kitchen in order for us to prep and plan. We want to do it on the fly. So I will be teaching you all of that. So I'm so excited for those women that have already joined us. And there is time this week for you to join us as well. $39 gets you all access to it and an extra entry into winning our meal prep prize pack. This is all in combination with what our July free challenge is going to be. You'll be able to participate if you don't join the program in the July challenge. However, you won't get the bonus video trainings and you won't be getting the handouts, and you would not be getting the entries into winning the prize pack either. So if you want all of that, of the video trainings, lifetime access, those handouts, you got to join this. So it's $39. I will be dropping it down in the comments below after I hang up here. If you have any questions, please let us know. Drop them down in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to help you out. Thank you so much for hopping on here with me today. Let me know if you watch this live or replay, and also drop to what's one thing that you prep for the week. I have pulled pork going right now in my crock pot that I cannot wait to eat later. So have a wonderful rest of your day. Talk to you soon.